I think about you all the time. I want you to free my mind. I want you to free my mind. Hey you guys, I'm sorry if I sound so low. I am still very much sick. I do feel a lot better than what I was yesterday physically, but my throat feels sore still, and my throat still feels sore. My nose still feels a little bit, I don't know what to call it. I'll do a real quick unboxing. My sister bought me a book bag for school. So here's my other book bag that I was gonna use. I bought a tote bag, but this is my book bag I use for work right now because I carry so much stuff for some reason. So I decided, let me just get a new bag, and my hair keeps getting caught in my rings. Let's just take it out. But I decided I need a new bag because I just need a new everything. So she got it from Amazon because the one from Victoria's Secret, she waited too long and they wound up selling out of the one I wanted. It was like a sale, so I figured it wouldn't be still in stock by then, but it's okay. I just needed a bag. It didn't have to be that specific bag. I have orientation tomorrow, but I chose the virtual option because I just didn't feel like going in person and using any more of my PTO from work. So they take, I don't like how they bagged it, like so open. Like I get it's just a book bag to y'all, but like not too much. It has a charging port apparently. I don't know if it's compatible for everyone, but I'll probably have to buy like an extra cord to plug it up. Bro, they take the heck out of this bag for once. I don't feel good, yo, but just a real fast little. So it's like a brownish gray. I don't know, maybe I'm colorblind. I think it's supposed to just be gray, but it kind of gives me like a, oh, it's kind of small. I mean, I don't need this to be big. I'm literally only gonna use it for school. Like I'll have my work bag and my school bag, like, I mean, I am gonna put my lunch in here, let's be for real. My big bag behind. But it's a cute little basic bag. I hope I can fit. Yeah, this is very small. This is my high school bag, but I used it. I graduated high school years ago, but like, this is gonna only hold like my iPad, a notebook, and like lunch. So it doesn't have to be huge. I'm gonna test it out. Well, my bag is gonna be my lunch bag. If it can fit this, we're good. Thanks, sister girl. Even though she don't watch my videos. But it's very plain Jane. I look like a child. But yeah, that was my little unboxing. I have a package coming next week. So I'll do another unboxing. I'll do another unboxing, but I was just walking in and I seen it on my steps, so I wanted to show y'all my new school bag. It's very tall. Oh, this is the charger port. Yeah, I would have to buy like a cable to go in that to charge my iPad and my AirPods and my another song. It's cute. It's pretty lightweight, not too big. So I can't put too much in it, which is good because I overdo it sometimes. Like, I literally pack so much stuff in my bag. And it has a compartment for my iPad, which I will definitely utilize. And it's very cushiony, very padded. Love that. I'm not sure why it's so small, but it's like a good size for like, I'm not using notebooks. Like, I'll use like one notebook and 2 pens. I'm literally using my iPad for everything. I don't really hear nobody tell me nothing. So yeah, it should be pretty lightweight. The heaviest thing will literally be my water bottle and my lunchbox. So yeah. But that was pretty much it for this video. It's very short, very straight, forward, to the point. Honestly, I'm trying to debate if I should just leave my school bag at work, since majority of the days that I have class is work days. And oh wait, I can't do that because when I leave work, I'm going to class. And then Saturday I have class, so I'll need that over the weekend. So never mind. My school bag is just gonna become my work bag at this point. But that wraps it up for today's video, y'all. It literally was just unboxing my school bag. So I just came home from work. I stayed the whole day, so I didn't leave early, even though I still don't feel well. I stayed, and I'm gonna try to get a video uploaded today. I already uploaded one today and last night, so. But yeah, that concludes this video. It's just me unboxing my bag. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll be back with more videos.
Think my brain is made for